Hello guys, welcome back to channel Techmates. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to hide online status on WhatsApp. First of all, go to your WhatsApp application, and when this page opens, on the top right corner you can see a 3 dots vertical line. So click on this, and now you'll see a pop-up message. On the below you can see settings. Select settings. Now go to account. Select privacy under account. So now click on last seen. So the default mode is in everyone. You will have to change it to nobody. So select nobody so that nobody will be able to see when were you last seen. Now click on status privacy. Now the default mode is my contacts. Now click on my contacts, accept, and select all. And if you click on it, nobody will ever be able to see your online status. Or what you can do is only share with and select no one, and click on the tick sign so that nobody will be able to see your online status. Thank you for staying till the end of this video, my friends. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show me a sense of support.